So, first category of 11. Remember, 11 different diverse categories. This is number one. This is our very first one of them all. Let's take a closer look and find out, dig deeper underneath the bonnet in terms of a video, sharing with us the 3 finalists of this category.
When it comes to flying, lightness and safety come first. That's why we decided to design a first-in-class landing gear, combining lightness, strength, advanced aerodynamics, and a reduced carbon footprint. All of this thanks to recycled carbon fibers and natural fiber composites. The careful design relies on a deep characterization of the materials and extensive numerical simulations, which allow to conceive a landing gear half in weight, but with double energy absorption capabilities. We proudly present you BioGear.
Here at ATG Europe, we've developed a method to maximise the combined strengths of unidirectional carbon fibre tapes and lattice architectures in order to create highly efficient and ultra-lightweight structures. Such structures are particularly suitable for spacecraft components due to the significant mass savings they offer compared to more conventional solutions. The central tube is a key structural component of a satellite, serving as a mounting point for equipment and payload while also providing a safe attachment to the launcher. Using in-house design and analysis techniques bespoke to composite lattice structures, we can design a solution that meets the challenging requirements for a spacecraft component, but is also cost-effective due to our patented one-shot manufacturing process. Using slit toes of unidirectional material to create the lattice grid, our method allows for overlaps to be accommodated without fibre cuts, thus maintaining the structural integrity of the part. The attachment and interface zones are also directly integrated into the layup, meaning that once the central tube is cured, it is ready for final assembly, only requiring drilling of holes to accept fasteners or inserts.
So there we have it. We now know who the 3 finalists are of the Aerospace Parts category. Let's find out who the winner is. Let me introduce to you now the person that's going to reveal who this winner is. Waiting online with us right now, and also one of our jury members within the jury selection process as well. Director of the Innovative Composite Center at Kanazawa Institute of Technology, Professor Kiyoshi Uzawa. Professor, are you there? I can see you. I don't know if I can hear you.
Hello, Peter.
Wonderful. We can hear you. We can see you. All looking good. Let's find out who the winner is. You have your envelope. Share with us who the winner is of this category.
Okay. Yeah, I'm in my office with my center. But however, I'm very happy to be here at this ceremony by online today.
Fantastic. Okay. And we're happy you're here as well. I believe you have your envelope. Is that right? Okay. I hope you've got it. There it is. I hope it's not empty either. If you want to open it up and share with us who the winner is.
Okay, the winner of the Aerospace Parts category is ATG Europe, Netherlands, with the innovative CFRP Lattice satellite central tube.
Congratulations, well done. There we are, wonderful. This is for you. There we are for you and your partners as well. Kelly, tell us, how does it feel to be standing here, holding that in your hands and winning this category? Tell us.
It's great. It's a real privilege to win such a prestigious Composite award. I think it's a great recognition of the years of effort that have been put in by the ATG Europe team and by our partners, ÉireComposites. It also wouldn't have been possible without the continued support of the European Space Agency and Enterprise Ireland for their support throughout the development process.
So all good all around. And I believe, so those that are interested, they're curious, they'd like to know more, I believe at Jet World next month, you'll be there, you'll be showcasing your innovative project as well.
Yep, we'll be there with the Lattice Satellite Central Tube. So we're always more than happy to answer any questions and to explain some of the details of why it's so great.
Fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, again, put your hands together for our winner of this category. Thank you so much. And also, thank you to Ozawa as well.